Welcome to our channel today. We're diving into the aromatic world of rosemary tea, a herbal drink cherished not only for its delightful flavor but also for its myriad of health benefits. From its antioxidant properties to its ability to improve heart health, rosemary tea is a powerhouse of wellness. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 health benefits of rosemary tea, shedding light on how this ancient herb can contribute to your overall well-being. But that's not all. We'll also guide you through the simple yet satisfying process of preparing rosemary tea right in your kitchen. Whether you're a longtime tea enthusiast or new to the herbal tea scene, you're sure to find something to love about rosemary tea. So grab your favorite mug and let's get started on this journey to discover the incredible benefits of rosemary tea and how you can enjoy its soothing flavors at home. Just a quick disclaimer. Remember, the information provided is for educational purposes only and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. Now coming back to the video. Rosemary tea, made from the leaves of the rosemary plant, Rosmarinus officinalis, is not only popular for its aromatic and flavor qualities but also for its potential health benefits. Here's a scientific explanation of 10 benefits associated with drinking rosemary tea. 1. Antioxidant properties. Rosemary is rich in compounds with antioxidant properties, such as rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and carnosol. Antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to chronic diseases and aging. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. The compounds in rosemary, including rosmarinic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. By reducing inflammation, rosemary tea may help mitigate the risk or severity of these conditions. 3. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that rosemary can improve cognitive performance, possibly due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Carnosic acid, for example, has been shown to protect brain cells from damage and improve brain function. Some research suggests that the aroma of rosemary essential oil can affect brain waves and mood states, potentially leading to improved concentration and performance on cognitive tasks. The exact mechanism is not fully understood, but is believed to involve the olfactory system's direct connection to the limbic system, which is involved in memory and emotion. 4. Digestive health. Rosemary, known scientifically as Rosmarinus officinalis, aids digestion through its antispasmodic properties that relax the digestive tract muscles, thereby easing food movement and reducing discomfort. It stimulates bile production, essential for fat digestion, and exhibits antimicrobial effects that maintain a healthy gut flora balance. Rich in antioxidants like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, rosemary protects the digestive tract from oxidative stress and inflammation, enhancing nutrient absorption and supporting gut health. Additionally, its gastroprotective properties safeguard the stomach and intestinal lining, preventing ulcers and other gastrointestinal issues. However, it's crucial to use rosemary in moderation to avoid potential adverse effects such as gastrointestinal irritation or allergic reactions, and consider any interactions with medications. 5. Antimicrobial properties. Rosemary extracts have been shown to possess antimicrobial properties against various bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This could potentially help in reducing the risk of infections. 6. Heart health. The antioxidants in rosemary can help improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving circulation. This, in turn, reduces the risk of heart disease. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, supports heart health through its rich content of antioxidants like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, protecting blood vessels from damage. Its anti-inflammatory properties help lower chronic inflammation linked to heart disease, while its ability to regulate lipid levels can decrease harmful LDL cholesterol and increase beneficial HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Additionally, rosemary's antihypertensive effects aid in lowering high blood pressure, a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases, and its compounds improve blood circulation and prevent excessive platelet aggregation, minimizing the risk of blood clots. However, it's essential to consume rosemary in moderation within a balanced diet. and individuals with health conditions or those on medication should consult a healthcare provider before making dietary changes. Stress and anxiety reduction. Drinking rosemary tea might have a calming effect on the nervous system, which can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. The aroma of rosemary alone has been shown to improve mood and clear the mind. Hair growth. While not a benefit of drinking rosemary tea directly, applying rosemary extract topically has been linked to promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss by improving circulation to the scalp. Rosemary has been traditionally used to stimulate blood circulation. Improved scalp circulation can bring more nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles, encouraging their growth and strengthening hair roots. This effect can be particularly beneficial for promoting hair thickness and health. Moreover, it also inhibits DHT. Dihydrotestosterone is an androgen hormone that is implicated in the pathogenesis of androgenetic alopecia, pattern hair loss. DHT contributes to hair loss by shortening the growth phase of hair follicles and causing them to miniaturize. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in rosemary, such as ursolic acid and rosmarinic acid, can inhibit the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme is responsible for the conversion of testosterone to DHT. By inhibiting this enzyme, rosemary may reduce DHT levels and thus help prevent or slow down hair loss. 9. Immune system support. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of rosemary can help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections and diseases. 10. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that rosemary may help lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This could be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Preparing rosemary tea is as simple as it gets. Start by boiling water and adding a sprig of fresh rosemary or a teaspoon of dried rosemary per cup. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Strain the leaves, and your soothing cup of rosemary tea is ready to enjoy. You can add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for an extra touch of flavor. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through the world of rosemary tea and its remarkable health benefits. We hope you're now inspired to incorporate this aromatic and helpful tea into your daily routine. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. If you've tried making rosemary tea or have any questions, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy the calming benefits of rosemary tea.